Alright guys, we're back. So I managed to fix the exhaust stud right there. As you guys can see, it's nice and flush. And it's a new day. So I brought my T-5 transmission from the Z. And we're currently working on taking out that little tail piece right there. I got Brian here. What's up, Brian? And yeah, it's gonna be dope. We got some chisels. Or hole punches.
See us go.
Nice.
Ugh, it's like a grease.
We're gonna be taking out this bad boy right here. We're gonna chisel that bad boy out. Then hopefully we'll be able to remove the tail casing, and then we should have access. Sorry, you guys slipped. We should have access. All right, so we'll just go for it. You tap on it with a hammer too. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Yeah, that was like butter. Okay, watch out for the pieces, don't let them fall out.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna try to catch them in there.
Okay. It might not pull out any further because we might have to move it all out together.
Alright, well let's lift it up over there.
I'll just set it on longitudinal like so. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You want the engine? Okay, let's get that. Fuck, metal shavings. Let's see. Ooh.
That is the most metallic. Hold on.
Yeah, so this.
Look, ready?
Like chocolate.
Let's see what's the heaviest pieces in here.
Oh my gosh.
That is not even trans fluid anymore. At this point, it's just straight metal shavings. It looks cool
this
though.
Needed to be changed forever ago.
Imagine your floor epoxy looking like that. That's a cool floor epoxy. That is not good transmission fluid though.
This is gear oil.
Yeah, trans fluid.
Well,
literally gear oil. Like that's straight gears. That's stirred and fits right there. I wonder where's the synchro parts.
we'll know once you open it up a little bit more.
Where's the drain? Is this it?
Plug,
Is it not the
yeah.
metallic plug? Not really.
Yeah, look at this. There's like little baby pieces right there too. You guys can kind of see.
Go inside?
A little bit, yeah. Here, let me see if I can zoom in.
Got him.
How many did you grab?
Look, I'll do this.
Dude, I might be just missing 3rd and 4th. Like 3rd and 4th just might be gone, and that slider. Oh, look at that.
It's like a anal cavity cleaner.
Oh my God.
Dude, it comes out even thicker. No.
Oh my god, dude, this is scaring me.
I don't think your board warner is gonna be working anymore.
Well, let's open it up and see, because you won't know for sure. That's what the camera's at.
All ready?
Here, so set it back up. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, let's open her up.
All right.
So yeah, grab that last piece up and then we'll tear into it.
Oh my god, dude. That dude beat the crap out of this thing.
Oh, well, it was a turbo. It did not surprise me. Telling you, man, these VGs, they're reliable.
The trans ain't.
No,
Well,
they're not.
if it is,
If you
good
treat it right.
trans, yeah, but you gotta do
You gotta baby it.
servicing.
Yeah, Nissan did away with the Borg warners because of how weak they were. There was complaints of them being blown up all the time.
Where's the other ones? Yeah, these were it.
Right there.
Yeah, look. That is in your trans.
Alright, well, let's open it up. I don't sound too promised, but hey, yellow swag. We'll go ahead and take a gander. Oh my goodness. Well, at least she's drained.
Yeah, it's teeth.
I'll be honest, when the fluid leaked out of the tail, like of the tail piece right here,
Yeah.
it didn't look like that nasty. If anything, so if you kind of like disregard the gray and you kind of just notice the brown, that's literally all it leaked out from the back. So it must have had good fluid, and then the very bottom was like chunks and nasty.
Well, it also could be from like how
Old it is
it
too.
pushes oil through the whole trans. The back tail end could have just had like the nice oil, and the rest is just clogged up here, and you have all that nasty chunky stuff up front.
That's true.
But we'll see.
We'll see. All right, so now we're gonna pull off the back tail casing. So give us a moment and we'll rip it off. Up. Living the now, bro. We got impact.
I'll do it. Don't worry, I'm gonna beat you.
Killers, so chilling. Now,
Ready?
Yep.
Here
oh, beautiful. Okay, yeah, just slide it off now. Oh shit.
Yeah, some leaked out, I guess.
Does it still have some? Alright, there's a tarp. That's good. Make sure you don't lose any of those pieces.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet. They're a little check ball. There should be a ball in there as well. Okay, cool.
There's that.
It's like RTV. I can use that. Beautiful. Nice. Sweet. We're transmission boys. Okay, give me that hammer real quick. Okay, you should lift up. Alright guys, moment of truth. And broken sliders.
See, am I able to spin this right now?
Yeah. I can spin mine too.
Let's spin it around. Oh, hold on.
What is that?
I don't know, I literally just plopped into the water.
Shit. Oh no. Oh no.
That's okay, we can see.
Oh no.
There's, I'll put this over here.
It's kind of a sketchy too after that it's chilling up.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm trying to find something better to put it on.
Try to clean these fingers off. There we go. So I don't know if you can see in there, right? Yeah, the light's kind of in the way, but.
Okay, I can find you. Here's a better flashlight.
You see?
Yeah, we can turn this off too.
So if you can see, wanna hit focus on the screen?
Right there.
I was trying to focus on. Yeah, you can kind of see all that chunkiness right there.
The gears look good though.
Right where that flashlight's hitting right there, you can see a big chunk.
Neutral.
Zach Taylor, transmission expert.
Alright. I'm trying to see what gear is which. That's obviously reverse. Did you put that piece together that fell out?
No, it's right there.
Right there. Alright, so that's a thrust washer. So it has to go in like so. Yep. So we're gonna keep that together like that because that seems to be correct. Goodness.
Taylor,
It's
yeah,
hard.
I'm organized. Bolts are everywhere.
Yeah, it's rough. It's rough.
Get one of those little cubbies.
I need to get one of those cubbies or the magnetic trays. I have one, but
Harbor Freight right now, they're on sale, $4.
really, I
Yeah.
got $4. I spent 15 on some chisel pieces that I just needed a single one for.
But they'll come in handy later.
Exactly, but still, you kind of get my reasoning on why I'm not gonna go buy a metal tray today. All right, going back to it.
So, that's all gone.
Yep, that's third.
See, that's what it's supposed to be like. You gotta have that lip on there. This lip. But that looks like an old lady with no teeth. Or
Spirited driving is what you would call that.
Grandpa Jojo.
Grandpa Jojo.
My goodness. Well, at least your gears are still good.
Yeah, that makes my heart feel good.
Yes. So still usable. Not usable. Well, this one's not usable. It's third and fourth that you don't have.
Third and fourth.
So yeah, that's
I
no
had
bueno.
first, second, fifth, and reverse. So I had to hit boost in second really hard, and then I could catch fifth.
That's when you just click the clutch, kick the heck out of it. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear on your channel, so I'm not going to.
You can swear.
Football.
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 It's green.
He's green. Green means go. Green means go fast.
These are color. Alright. Ow! I'm gonna spin it and I'll spray that gear.
I'm like getting high off brake cleaner.
Dude, I'm upstairs in my room and I'm like,
I'm so sorry.
whoa.
Shaylin is probably whacked out too now all of a sudden. Here, let me
Oh,
open
you're
it.
fine.
I'm
It just
sorry.
barely is like a smell that's.
Continue.
Okay, I want to talk to that transmission guy. Possibly see if he could help me put some beefier gears into this, so that I know that if spirited driving happens to come through, I won't have nothing to worry about.
Well, maybe if you just use a clutch and not
Hey,
try
I'm
to.
not the one that broke it, okay? I bought it broken.
No, I'm saying if you don't drive like certain people that we know, I'm not gonna names, Coda. If you use a clutch, your transmission lasts.
That's true. Is that what happened with this?
Yeah, he likes to just rev match everything. So like he'll shift, so it's faster. He'll
But
just
you'll
fucking
do
pop.
just-
Like he's good at it. Like he's good at it. Don't get me wrong, like way better than I am. But it beats your trans more. But I heard about your BRZ.
Yeah.
Sad.
It's okay. It's okay.
Everything happens. It's that shit happens.
All of our cars are broken.
Yeah.
I told that's okay. This is a Zach transmission guru, not
I'm a transmission
other
guru.
stuff. Watch your head.
Hi, motor.
He smacked his head on this thing like 4 times.
I know. I'm just, dude, I'm a silly
Head
kid.
stud. He smacked his head on the stud, exhaust stud, and then on the oil return for the turbo. He's about to hear on the balancer if he gets up. Would you like some help?
Yeah. I don't mean to struggle.
I'm like, we're here.
I'm like trying to sit here like I got this. I don't got this.
I grab the.
Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Their 2x4s did not work
Well, it works for.
until you start moving it.
Yeah.
There you go. Transmission day.
Well, have fun.
We will. Thanks for coming to say what's up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hood rat stuff. Illegal modification to vehicles.
Vehicular devices.
Thank goodness we don't live in California, dude.
Oh no.
We would not survive California.
I would be like state ref.
Bunch of haters wonder